This is a bushingfix.com installation video for the DA1 kit. You'll start by removing the transmission linkage rod from the vehicle and removing all of the old bushing from the eyelet. The easiest way to do this is to use a rotary tool and a steel wire brush. Once all that's done, you'll stack up the cup, the bushing, and the installation driver and tap the bushing into the rod with a hammer. You can also squeeze it together in a vise. Once that's done, you'll put a little bit of the included grease on the transmission linkage ball and install the rod into place. You might find it easier to install the metal side of the rod first, but you can do it either way according to your preference. Once you've got the rod connected, double check the installation by shifting the car through the gears, and that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.